Hello, sister. I thought we would show you a little bit of this Melbourne life. And we're on a bridge. That's a famous bridge. And we are right in the city centre, of course. Ready to go pick up the car soon.
Near Flinders Street Station.
Yep. Hey, check out how big these things are. Go, Rick, stand next to it. It's insane.
Wow.
They're huge. Absolutely massive. So we're just going for a walk before we get the car, and we're in some sort of botanical garden by the river. So I thought you'd find that interesting. And very pretty flowers. Aren't they unusual? Just some more of the trees and everything. Nice birdie sounds as well. Thought these look quite unusual. They're almost like aloe vera or something. Yeah, I'll just come back out of it as well so you can see them.
Believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight.
Can you believe that we just saw a bunch of like anime people, and I asked them to take their photograph and they said share it, and then I just remembered, I said, oh, my niece is Pixie Locks, and they're all like, oh yeah, what a small world. Isn't that so cool? Well, I'll show you the picture as well. This is a shot of another bridge and the cityscape on the other side of the river. And just a little more of the life here. So beautiful. Listen, sister. Oh, look. It's coming from here. Isn't that great? It's so fun. Here is our hire car. We made it here in one piece. It was slightly scary, but we did good. And there's a Santa there. And we are about to go check out a beach for the first time. I can already tell you that that water looks incredible from here. More pretty flowers in the trees. There's so many trees here with flowers in them. I love that. Wow, check it out. Sorry if it's windy, but look at the color of the water. Isn't it neat? Seems to be a big sunbathing spot just right there. All right, we're getting in the water. I'm going in just for feet. Let's just feel. Oh, it's quite all right. Look, there's a bit of pottery there. Cool. Yes, it feels nice. It's cool enough. Back home, chilling out, resting. So thank you for watching the video, and excited to show you the next one. Wilson's Promontory, wherever the hell you say it, tomorrow. So very exciting. It's about 3 hours drive, and so we'll be doing that. And then we are planning to possibly go to a beach near us within a walking distance. So we shall see. Anyhow, hope you're good, and we will see you soon.